How to download the Jobninja Tasker app. Simply head over to your app store and search for Jobninja. Tap on the download button and wait for the app to install on your device. After downloading the app, you should now see its icon on your home screen. You're now ready to explore all the amazing features our app has to offer. How to create a Tasker profile in Jobninja Tasker app. Open the Jobninja app on your device. Click the Sign Up button to begin your journey. Fill in your name, email, country, postal code, address, and driving license number. Then click Next to proceed. Once opened, agree to the terms and conditions provided and proceed. Add your business name and ABN number for identification. Next, register with your account using your mobile number. Keep your phone handy as you'll receive an OTP code via SMS for verification. Enhance the security of your profile by adding a PIN code. For added security measures, you can also choose to add your fingerprint. How to add service in Jobninja Tasker app. Click on Add New Service to showcase your offerings. Select the job category that best fits your expertise. Choose the specific job type within that category. Set your pricing range to attract potential clients. Feel free to add more services to enhance your profile. How to add an area to Tasker profile in Jobninja Tasker app. Enter a postal code to instantly find nearby suburbs and streamline your task search. Use the scroller to make the search range larger to find suburbs around your area. Select the relevant suburbs and click Add to Service Suburbs. How to add project photos to Tasker profile in the Jobninja app. Once on your profile, locate the Add Portfolio button and give it a tap. Next, select the option to add project images from your mobile device. Feel free to customize your project details by tapping the pencil icon. Update the project name, description, or any other relevant information to accurately represent your work. Be sure to save your edits. Your updated project images and information will now be visible on your Tasker profile. How to verify your Tasker account in the Jobninja app. Begin by entering your email address. Click Request Verification. You're now verified. You'll receive a message confirming your verification status. On your profile page, you'll proudly see the Verified tag, indicating your official verification. How to check leads in the Jobninja Tasker app. After posting a service, you'll start receiving leads. To view more details, navigate to the Leads tab. Within the Leads tab, you'll find two categories: New Leads and Interested Leads. In the New Leads section, you'll find fresh opportunities waiting for you. If a job description catches your eye, simply mark the lead as interested. How to capture the interest of leads on Jobninja Tasker app. Check out the job details. Everything you need to know is right here. If you like what you see, hit Interested. Once a client shortlisted you, a chat message pops up. Start chatting with the client right away. How to use chat system in Jobninja Tasker app. Click the Chat tab to view and manage conversations with clients. Share messages, photos, and even files like quotation PDFs. Our user-friendly chat interface allows for seamless communication, ensuring that you and your clients are always on the same page. How to accept a job in the Jobninja Tasker app. Once the client awards the job, you can accept it. A calendar option will pop up, allowing you to set the date for the job. Then you'll receive a pop-up message confirming that the job has been accepted by you. How to use calendar option in Jobninja Tasker app. To add custom jobs, simply tap on the plus mark. Enter the task name and description. Set the date and time for your task. Once your task is set, you'll receive a notification pop-up. How to send the job consent in Jobninja Tasker app. When your job gets accepted by the client, navigate to the Job Consent button. Click it to drop down the options, then hit Send to dispatch the job consent straight to your client. You'll receive a message notifying you when the client has accepted the job consent from their end. How to use timer clock in Jobninja Tasker app. Once the job is accepted, simply click on the play button to start the timer. A message will pop up prompting you to send the timer start request to the client. Once the client accepts, you'll receive a message confirming the timer has started, and the timer will begin counting. How to complete a job in Jobninja Tasker app. Once the job is completed, a job completed message will pop up. Clients can review and rate your service, helping you build a strong reputation.
Quick, simple, done.